Hello class 11th. I am now going to discuss few questions with you of 5.1. So rest you will have to do yourself. I have done few for you. Now first question, see 5 iota into minus 3 upon 5 iota. So very simple, 5 cancels with 5, so this becomes, we are left with minus 3 iota square, and iota square you know is minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1 it becomes 3 only. Got it? Similarly, second question, iota 9 plus iota 19. I have told you that always you have to break up or split up into iota square, factors of iota square. So iota square power 4, this becomes 8 into one more iota, because iota 9 we want, so it becomes this. Then iota 19 can be written like this, iota square raised to power 9 into again iota. So iota square is minus 1 power 4 into iota, plus this again minus 1 raised to power 9 into iota. Minus 1 power 4 is what? 1, so 1 iota. Minus 1 power 9 इज वॉट? -1. -1 को जब आप 9 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो वो बेटा -1 ही रहता है. -1 इंटू आयोटा इज -1 आयोटा. सो 1 आयोटा -1 आयोटा इज 0. So this is 0. Then comes to iota raised to -39. I have written it like this, 1 upon iota 39. इस माइनस को रिमूव करने के लिए मैंने उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर लिया. Then 1 upon iota square raised to power 19. It becomes 19 into 2, 38. But one more iota is there. So now 39 हो गया. अब ये iota square with power 19, it becomes what? -1, and this becomes minus iota. This is -1, so -1 into iota is minus iota. So 1 upon, this is 1 upon minus iota. So this is, I have written it rather here also. So this is this step. So 1 upon -1 power 19 into iota, so this becomes 1 upon minus iota. अभी अब I have told you कि iota का हमने डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं छोड़ना है, that's why I have rationalized it. So what is it? See here, I have written it like this, 1 upon iota 39, iota into iota square 19. This becomes -1, so -1 की power 19 into 1 upon iota. So this becomes 1 upon minus iota. So rationalize करो क्योंकि हमने छोड़ना नहीं ऐसा, तो this becomes iota upon minus iota square. But iota square itself is -1, minus of -1 is +1, so iota upon +1 is iota is your answer. Then comes to fourth question. You can see the brackets I have opened. Now like terms are collected here. 21 bracket जब into ये 7 iota square becomes -7, because iota square is -1, so it becomes 21 minus and 14 plus 28 iota. So this is fourth question. Now comes to your fifth question. Very simple. 1 minus iota, opening the bracket, we got this. Then collecting like terms, finally this is your answer. Then comes to your sixth question. This here, opening the brackets, like terms इकट्ठी करी बेटा ये, और इनके this and this, taking LCM we got this. Similarly this is here, taking LCM we got it, and finally this is your answer. Then comes to your seventh question. Then this is your this is opening this plus like terms collect कर दी, और ये लिख के हमने इसको यहाँ पे solve कर दिए. Got it? You can see the, this is open the bracket, then like terms are collected. You can see collection के बाद like terms की हमने बेटा simply the way you do it in integers वैसे ही करना. So I have done it like this. You can pause the video and see the calculations yourself. I have done all the calculations for you people. So this is the final answer. Similarly come to eighth question. 1 minus iota का 4 है बेटा, तो 1 minus iota के स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर कर दिया. 1 minus iota स्क्वायर जब सॉल्व करना तो a minus b के होल स्क्वायर की आइडेंटिटी लगाई. दिस इज हेयर. सो देन iota स्क्वायर बिकम्स व्हाट? -1. 1 minus 1 तो कैंसिल हो गया. -2 iota का स्क्वायर करा तो इट बिकम्स व्हाट? 4 iota स्क्वायर, तो -4 हो गया. नाउ दिस इज योर आंसर. -4 इज योर आंसर. Now comes to your ninth question. Similarly, this is a plus b whole cube की identity. You will apply a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a into b square. So opening these things, I have done it like this. You can see the calculations yourself. Got it? Then comes to this step, and finally this step, and this after the step do yourself. dys do yourself, because 1/27 minus 9 का LCM लेके सॉल्व करोगे, ये तो आपका सिंपली -26 आइटा बन जाएगा. गॉट इट? देन कम्स टू योर 10th क्वेश्चन. आई हैव टेकन this 10th अगेन a minus b होल क्यूब, बट आपने ऐसी आइडेंटिटी नहीं करी तो बेटा यू कैन सी है -1 यू कैन टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम दीज टू, तो वो जो -1 कॉमन लिया उसकी भी पावर 3 बन गई. -1 क्यूब इज वॉट -1, a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब, तो a प्लस बी के होल क्यूब की आइडेंटिटी यू नो इज वॉट a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज वॉट a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. सो इस आइडेंटिटी को लगाओ और इसको सॉल्व करो. गॉट इट. इफ यू फाइंड एनी प्रॉब्लम इन एनी क्वेश्चन लेट मी नो. Then comes to your 11th question. He said you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this complex number. So what is it? Multiplicative inverse we have discussed in the previous video. So 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota is your multiplicative inverse. लेकिन नीचे iota नहीं छोड़ना तो हमने इसको rationalize बेटा कर दी. We have done its rationalizing. So on rationalizing what do we get? 4 plus 3 iota नीचे a minus b into a plus b, it becomes a square minus b square. So opening it, I got this thing. Now iota square again is -1. So 16 minus 9 into -1 is plus 9. So 16 plus 9, 25. 4 plus 3 iota upon 25 is your answer. Now comes to your 13th question. 12th I have kept for you to do. Then minus iota. फिर उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स विल बी वॉट 1 अपॉन माइनस आयोटा. एंड फिर उसको रैशनलाइज करा बेटा आयोटा एंड आयोटा ऊपर नीचे माइनस की, तो यू कैन नो नीड टू टेक माइनस विद इट. सो आयोटा अपॉन माइनस आयोटा स्क्वायर यू गेट. सो फाइनली आयोटा अपॉन माइनस ऑफ -1, so it becomes iota. Then comes to your 14th last question. He said bring it in a plus b iota form or a plus iota b. A plus b iota or a plus iota b is one and the same thing. So don't confuse. अगर हम suppose हमने 2 plus √3 iota लिख दिया या बेटा 2 plus iota √3 लिख दिया, it is one and the same thing. So no, it makes no difference. Then comes to now these two things. Can you see this is a plus b and a minus b है बेटा. So a square minus b square की आइडेंटिटी हो गया ये. Then नीचे 2 brackets are there but ये माइनस साइन था, so opening it, changing it sign, √3 minus √3 cancels. So √2 iota and √2 iota on in the denominator it becomes 2 √2 iota. 9 minus 5 iota square in the numerator, minus iota iota square is -1, so it becomes 9 plus 5 14 upon 2 √2 iota because this cancels. So √2 iota is what 2 √2 iota. So rationalizing it, पहले हमने सिर्फ आयटा से ही कर दिया. You can do it 2 √2 iota, 2 √2 iota सारा भी कर सकते हैं, बट अब आयटा से भी कर. So we got 14 iota upon 2 √2 iota square. Iota square is -1, so this is 2 is cancelled. 7 iota by -√2. बट अभी हमने 9 से सीखा हुआ कि नीचे हमने रूट में भी नहीं छोड़ना बेटा. डेट्स वाई हमने ये माइनस तो चलो ऊपर दे दिए, √2 को भी रैशनलाइज करा, तो फाइनली वी गॉट द आंसर -7 √2 iota upon 2. एंड सिंस ही सेड टू राइट इट इन a plus b iota फॉर्म, तो अभी तो ये iota फॉर्म ये, तो यू कैन सिंपली राइट इट एज 0 -7 √2 by 2 iota. So a here is what? A is your 0 and b is what? -7 √2 by 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Any problem if you find in any question while solving, so tell me and we will discuss in the group. Most probably I'll tell you, I'll take your Zoom class tomorrow. We'll send you the link in the morning.